Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Elk Prairie in Sparwood, British Columbia, a small but beautiful place surrounded by the Rocky Mountains. This area has long been connected to mining, as Sparwood itself grew in the 1970s when nearby communities were relocated to make way for expanding coal mines. Elk Prairie sits in the Elk Valley, a region named for the many elk that once roamed freely across these grasslands. People have lived and worked in this valley for generations, finding both opportunity and challenge in its rugged setting. Today you can still see reminders of its coal mining roots, from historic sites to the massive Terex Titan truck on display in town. At the same time, nature plays just as big a role, with mountains, rivers, and forests that are perfect for outdoor adventures. Whether you're here to learn about its past, enjoy the outdoors, or simply take in the mountain views, Elk Prairie has something special to share. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Elk Prairie, British Columbia. Thanks for watching.